Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the glorious Pacific Northwest in that happy little town of Belfair, Washington, or yes, I do call it Hickville, USA. So welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is January 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 8. So yes, and I'm trying to get videos made before I go on my wee little anniversary trip. So my hubby and I will have been married for 38 years. Yay! Yes, I'm very, very happy. Very happy to celebrate this anniversary with him. So this kit is called Special Delivery, January 2026 Paper Pumpkin. You could make 9 beautiful cards. Or if you're like me, you tear it apart and you do your own thing and you can see just how many you can do. So this kit, you could have done 3, 3, and 3, and you had 3 different colored envelopes. On the back, as always, you have a QR code that would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed, or there are other videos out there on YouTube that show you that as well. There's a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we kind of mosey along. This one down here would have led you to this set of add-on dies called the Beautiful Bloom dies. They will coordinate with January, February, and March of 2026 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And you could do something like that with them. Not a rose, but a tulip, right? And our stamps are Sending Love Airmail, the hearts, the round love stamp here, the postal mark, the rose, Happy Valentine's, just for you, you brighten my day. With that being said, I am bringing in the Celebrating You stamp set. And now that I see this, I think we're going to do You Are Every Bit of Wonderful for the inside. It doesn't have a Happy Valentine's. Do I want to do Valentine's? I'm like, where's the stamp? I don't think, you know what? Today we're going to make a Valentine's Day card. You'll see why in a minute. I need to take this one off. Wax on, wax off, right? We'll put this one on. We will do a Valentine's card today. All right, let me put this in my envelope now, so I don't lose it. All those pieces. Don't put it there. I will definitely lose it. And then You Are Every Bit of Wonderful. I didn't pull that one out. I pulled the Lots of Love. Believe it or not, I was originally looking for a wee little stamp about this one that said With Love. I didn't find one in my Paper Pumpkin as of yet. I kind of stopped looking and I decided, oh, let's go with something else. This is that nice block my Aunt Carol gave me. Really like it. Need to find out where she got that. Probably a thrift store, knowing her and I. So what am I using? We're going to try to use this little sentiment strip from the kit for the Lots of Love stamp from the Celebrating You stamp set. We have a 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4 envelope with a card base, excuse me, with a white envelope. I am going to be using a white heart. It could be a circle. This happens to be from a stack that Phyllis had sent me in a goodie box that she had sent me. So there is this white heart-shaped doily. So I'm going to put the gold one back in there because I decided not on the gold. But a heart or white doily. And then I cut apart the leaves in 3. So let me, because I was trying to figure it out. So this is how it originally looks. The leaves for the big rose. So I cut these 2 stems apart and I cut the bottom half apart. Now I think I'll be cutting this leaf apart as well. You'll just have to wait and see, and so will I. And then we have the rose, and we're going to cut this right in half, this card base in half, to make 4 1/4 by 5.5 to glue as it is on our card base. So 4 1/4. This is going to go back into the box of goodies, which is in the wrong spot for now. This should not take long. So, am I stamping on this? I'm trying to think, was I doing any... Oh, we're going to take a look-see. You're going to get a quick peek at it, because I thought I was going to do some stamping, and my mind has almost gone blank. So we're going to do the rose in the center. We're going to do lots of love, like right here. And do I want to stamp... You know what? No, we're going to keep it clean and simple. That's it. We're just going to keep it clean and simple today. I can do another one similar to this if I so choose and stamp more stuff on it. I want to do a clean and simple card. The reason being is I'm not sure. I pulled out Poppy Parade, and I'm just not sure if I want the Poppy Parade, honestly, all over this pretty pink. Not sure that's the color. It probably looked just fine, which I know it will, but I'm just like, nah, not on this one. So then next, I want to glue down my white doily. Let's see, I can probably do this way, go around the doily. Right in the center. All right. Then we're going to take just a minute, and we're going to, we really don't need this because these are red rubbers stamps. All right. This one says lots of love, and I want to stamp it on here. Oh, look at me. I'm trying to open that. That's from the kit. We're going to open the large, the large one. I don't know what I was thinking. All right. Lots of love. Here we go. I'm going to do it this way because I'm going to try. It's going to barely fit on here. Lean back down. Oh, please fit. And don't be crooked, because otherwise I got to flip it over. Yes! Oh, I'm so happy that worked. All right, we have lots of love. We could even do a little row of little hearts. I think we'll stamp this one off because we don't want them the same color. We can do a little row like that underneath there to fill in that space. So let's go ahead and do our envelope. So this is going to say sending love. And yes, we're going to do the whole thing, the whole little postage mark on it. You named it. We are going to do it. And then we're going to put this one like right here in the center this time. And we need to do the smushy smushy dance with the Happy Valentine's Day. Because we're going to do you are every Happy Valentine's, you are every bit of wonderful. We're going to combine those is what we're going to do. All right. For the inside, ta-da! Just like that. I mean, this is a quick and easy, simple one. Let me close this back up. I want to give it a wee little minute there. All right. So we have our rose. I just want to put this on the inside because that juicy red ink. So we're going to have our gorgeous rose here. We're going to pop this up on a couple of dimensionals. I don't want to put too much because I want to be able to stick my stems, which we'll be cutting off the ends of those. But this needs to go front and center to decide which way I want the rose to be. I think it's going to go like this in the center. And then this is going to go right here. So I just need a bit of one, a partial piece of one. I know, I won't use good snips or scissors, whatever you would like to call them. I think they actually do call them scissors now in the catalog. Put a little bit of glue on one end. All right. Gorgeous. Now for our leaves. So we definitely need to trim this off. Oh, that looks actually pretty good. And then this one, see, I wasn't not sure which one goes where yet. We're gonna, you guys know I'm not afraid to cut things apart. So this piece here, and then maybe this in the center. I like that. I might cut those apart a little bit more. And then this, trim that down a little. Because that, I think, fills it in a little better. Yes, that's perfect. So let's get those glued down. Oops. As I turn one, they all turn. There's that one. Add a little bit right in there. Oh, that came out great. And we need a little bit of red on here for bling. And I have that right here. Oops. Well, that one said didn't want to play with us today. Okay, I lost a couple there. 1, 2. I really would like to have something large there, but that's okay. Let's see. I've lost my train of thought when those other ones went bing. It's like, okay, what did I do? We're going to do 1, 2, and 3. That's what we're doing. We're going to just forget that that's there. We're going to do 1. Try to hold on to them. 2. and 3. And this one needs to move. It just needs to be down here a little farther is all. Right there. All right. I know this one came together really, really, really quickly. And I think we're going to do some Wink Estella on the rose. I was trying not to color in the entire rose, just trying to highlight. But oh boy, I don't know if that's possible now. I just didn't want to do the whole thing. This is still going to work. Don't know why I don't want to do the whole thing. I just don't. I just wanted to highlight. Hopefully I got everything on there. I think I missed this section. All right. And that's it. So hopefully you like what I've done. Even if you don't, I still want to know. I mean, it's okay if you say, hey, that just doesn't work for me. I do not mind. I really, really, though, appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.